World Consumer Rights Day is celebrated globally on March 15th each year. The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, through the Consumer Affairs Commission, endorses World Consumer Rights Day 2023 and its focus on financial literacy. This year's theme for Jamaica is Level Up, Manage Your Money. In order for Jamaicans to improve our standard of living, we must embrace financial education in its easiest form. Financial literacy matters. It means enabling consumers to manage their income, savings, and debt to improve their lives and their livelihood. It also makes an important contribution to the soundness and efficiency of the financial system and to the broader performance of the Jamaican economy. As Jamaica's business ministry, we are committed to expanding and supporting exports and the economic growth of Jamaica. A financially literate population of consumers is essential to our economic growth and development. My ministry is therefore pleased to be facilitating the Ignite program, a grant funding window which is available to MSME startups through the Development Bank of Jamaica, startup in partnership with the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, an agency of this ministry. As we foster business innovation and increase consumer financial education, Jamaica will indeed level up its entire economy. My ministry's mission is to substantially improve the collaboration between the government ministries and agencies to produce higher economic growth, increased and sustained job creation, and a much higher level of exports by targeting and securing greater local and foreign investments in Jamaica. It's for these reasons I fully endorse the Consumer Affairs Commission's campaign for a financially literate nation. The aim is for consumers to manage their money wisely and be more discerning when making financial decisions. Together we will achieve this. Happy World Consumer Rights Day, Jamaica.